Hogs genes control development. Environments change, genes mutate randomly to code for adaptations. It could be a trait, how they behave, adapt with phenotypic variations. Proteins, the ones coded for by immortal genes, needed by all living things. They stay, don't mutate. Evolutionary fitness is measured by reproductive success. Traits that are heritable, evolve populations for sure with their genes. Genetic variation can experience reduction. If populations are low, then they may be different from the whole of the species. Hogs genes tell cells where to go. Some mutations are silent, others cause differential surviving. Organisms with the right DNA can survive a changing climate. Loss of genetic crop variety is caused by human society. Overuse of antibiotics is what's driving deadly bacteria to ferment. Evolutionary fitness is measured by reproductive success. Traits that are heritable, evolve populations for sure with their genes. Genetic variation can experience reduction. If populations are low, then they may be different from the whole of the species. Chance of split up populations. Genetic drift that happens in populations isolated. Chance of split up populations. Genetic drift that happens in populations isolated. Selection that is stabilizing selects against extreme, the mean is now higher. Selection that's disruptive selects against the mean, the extremes get higher and higher. Allele frequencies you need to know to see where the population goes. Cause if variety is down, evolution may be slow in the populations that try to grow. Sickle cell is an advantage where there is mosquitoes with malaria, heterozygote advantage. Evolutionary fitness is measured by reproductive success. Traits that are heritable, evolve populations for sure with their genes. Genetic variation can experience reduction. If populations are low, then they may be different from the whole of the species.